In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect an email sequence in ConvertKit easily. If you're new to ConvertKit or just trying to automate your emails, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on Send, then select Sequences. Now, click on the plus New Sequence button to create a new one. Give your sequence a name, for example, Welcome Series or Course Emails, and then hit Create Sequence. Inside the sequence editor, you can start adding your emails one by one. You'll see options to write your subject line, body text, and choose when each email should be sent, like immediately, after 1 day, 2 days, or however you prefer. Once your sequence is ready, it's time to connect it to an automation. Go to the top menu again, click on Automate, and then select Visual Automations. Here, click on Plus New Automation. You can either start from scratch or choose a template. If you start from scratch, click on Plus Add Event. Now, choose how people will enter your automation. It could be through a form, tag, or product purchase. For example, select Joins a Form if you want people who sign up through a specific form to get your sequence. After you've added the event, click the plus button below it and select Email Sequence. Then choose the sequence you just created. That's it! You've successfully connected your email sequence in ConvertKit. From now on, anyone who triggers your automation will automatically start receiving your emails in order. And that's how simple it is to connect an email sequence in ConvertKit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.